Traditional.
Traditional.
Something traditional is most common or expected.
Something traditional is most common or expected.
So it says, Chloe and her mother like to eat traditional foods such as rice and fish. So this is her and her mother eating rice and fish. What is another word for traditional? What is another word for traditional? Messiah?
Celebration?
No. Well, traditions could be celebrations, but Michael?
Do it every year?
Yeah, it's traditional. You do it every year. Like for Christmas Eve, we go to my grandma's. That's traditional. Every year, that's the tradition. Our whole family goes to my grandma's. Mark?
Special?
Special. Traditions are special, yes. Kadeja?
Holiday?
Traditions could be holidays, yes. Isaiah?
So does it be like a routine that you do?
Yeah, it could, yes. Yep. It's the same thing. It's like on Christmas Eve, it's like a routine. We go up there right in the morning and we stay until night. And we have all seafood.
I like
All right, sources.
sources.
Sources are where things come from.
Sources are where things come from.
So the example is wind and solar power are two energy sources that we can use. So here's a little windmill or a big windmill. So, what are your energy sources, Anthony? No. Where do we get our energy sources? Jeremiah?
Electricity and food.
Okay. Rondell? They mean like a machine. But yes, we do. Oh, okay. We do get energy from food. Yes, okay. We get energy from food. I was thinking more of like this type of stuff. Mark?
Gatorades and Powerades.
Yup, that would give you energy. What about like, oh, they already have solar power. I was thinking about solar power. Okay. Aaliyah?
Coffee.
Coffee gives you energy. Benin?
Water.
Water.
Okay, she said food and drink,
Yeah.
so you need
So
other.
let's do, like in this example, it says wind and solar power. You know how some people have those solar panels on the roofs when the sun hits them, and it gives the house, energy. Yeah, the energy I got, not energy. It gives them like electricity power for their whole house. And some people have it with the windmills too. Isaiah?
Like, do you know the things like in space that collects the power or something? Electricity. Yeah, satellite.
The windmills?
No, she said in space. Something in space collects
She said satellite.
satellite. Well, you said
Or-
satellite.
Like power.
Okay.
You know what?
No. Marky, do you know what she's trying to say?
I have no clue because I don't know what's up in space that would be doing it.
Okay, one more. Raya? Yes, we have wind on here. Good. I'm moving on. Replace.
Replace.
To replace is to take the place of.
Replace is taking the place of.
The example is, soon Tina will replace her car with one that runs on electricity. Because now they have those cars where you can plug them in and charge them instead of getting gas. Has anyone heard of those?
Yeah.
So it says, name something that you can replace. What can you replace at your house or anything? You can replace anything. Jeremiah?
My TV.
You want to replace your TV with what? Another newer TV?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I think television.
Yep. Okay, so Jeremiah wants to replace his TV with another TV, right? A newer one? Make a bigger one? It's broken. Find out. You want to replace your bed, okay? What do you want to replace it with? A bigger one?
Yeah.
Desire,
A phone?
you want a phone? A newer one?
Yeah, to like replace it so like it can be bigger if you have like a smaller.
Okay. Aaliyah,
My clothes so I can get a smaller size.
I didn't hear you.
My clothes so I
Your
can get a smaller size.
You want to, but you're growing. Don't you want to replace your small clothes with bigger clothes?
Yeah.
Free?
A tablet.
A tablet. You
Rope.
Okay.
For my mom for fixed.
Nice.
I
Okay.
keep glitchy.
So you want to replace that one with a newer one that's working. Juliana?
A tablet with a computer.
Okay. Mark?
My basement.
Your what?
Basement.
You want to replace your basement with what?
Like one of those basements that's kind of like a hangout area. With
Oh,
rug.
like a finished basement. Okay.
Yeah, because my basement
Jeremiah.
has like cold floors.
Oh, okay. That's a good one. Michael?
My mattress for a bigger mattress.
Okay. One more. Benin? Jeremiah, turn around.
My trampoline because I don't want it. So last year I wanted a pool. So what
Stop.
happened was that my dad had to move away the trampoline. He put it inside the house, and now he had to buy a pool.
Oh, so you replace the trampoline with the pool. Okay, nice. That's cool. Renewable. Something that is renewable can be made again.
Something that is renewable can be made again.
So the example is trees are a renewable resource because more will always grow. So here is a picture of the forest or the woods. What does the word renewable mean? So it says something is renewable that can be made again. Free?
Recycle.
Yeah, you can recycle something, which means you're reusing it again. Michael?
Plants.
Plants, yeah, just like in this instance. They're talking about trees. Josiah?
Wildfires because they help the
Yeah.
plants grow again.
No, because wildfires are not renewable. How can we renew a fire like that? You know what I'm saying? They can't be made again. The same fire can't be made again. A new one would start, but the same fire, that's not renewable. Mark?
Wait, I just
Forgot one. What about, well, we said flowers. And this gives an example. You can renew your library books. You take them out again, and every student just keeps renting that again, taking out the library book. Aaliyah?
house.
Plant? Yeah, so we said plants. Michael, one more.
Your gift card.
You can renew a gift card now because, like at Dunkin' Donuts, you can put the money back on the card. So yes, that is acceptable. Good. Okay. Produce? To produce is to make or create something. So the example, the sun can produce enough solar power to heat this family's home. Remember I said the solar panels are on the house? Okay. So this is the example of that. So it heats the family's home. What word means the same as produce? Rondell? To make, yep. It says that. Mark? To give, okay. Kind of, yes. Benin? What is it? Create. That's part of the definition. Anthony? Contain. Yeah. Yeah, that's okay. Jeremiah? And well, you're not, yeah, it's not, inventing is doing it, creating something for the first time. So it's not so much invent. When you invent something, it's like you're creating something that nobody has created before. Okay, pollution. Pollution is harmful material